i-blur ko to para sa intro ng aking next video. In 3, 2, 1.
Kiyomi.
Hello everyone, this is MC again, and this is a continuation or a follow-up rather for the iDate PH 2025 tutorial that I did here on my account here sa TikTok, and also will be posted as well on my YouTube channel. So, disclaimer, I have some disclaimers to you guys. So, first one is, hindi po ako moderator, hindi po ako admin. I'm just also a beta tester, which is helping you guys to completely install, download and install the iDate PH 2025. If anything or if the issue persists after this fix po, I encourage you to go to their Discord server, which is discord.gg/idateph, or you can also go to their Facebook page, which is iDate Philippines 2025, which and also iDate Reborn sa Facebook. Okay? So, another disclaimer po, if you haven't finished my video tutorial po, I have my full video tutorial on YouTube, so you can also check that out. Okay, so mapunta tayo sa topic ng video ito. So, most of you actually commented on my video that you've encountered a certain error code. MC, ano tong error code na sinasabi mo? The error code na sinasabi ko po dito ay yung code execution error. Ayan. Which is what usually na-encounter ng mga nagko-comment at nagme-message sa akin directly. So, ano ang dahilan ng error message na to? Ang reason ng error na to is either two things. Possible po hindi ko sasabing ito, pero posibleng ito ang dahilan. Number one is may hindi na-detect yung install nyo or may missing files, or yung PC nyo mismo ay may kulang na for graphics. This is usually for graphics kasi. Ngayon, MC, paano ito ma-fix? I got you, fam. So, to have this fixed, you need to download a certain parang software sa PC ninyo, which this is also available on the iDate Discord, iDate PH 2025 Discord. Kaya that's why pinauulit-ulit ko po sa inyo na if you have Discord, I highly encourage you to join on their Discord channel. So, punta tayo sa Discord channel nila. Wow. So, on their Discord channel po kasi, this is where you can find all of the fixes sa mga error na nare-receive nyo upon installing and downloading iDate PH. So, just like what I mentioned, yung code execution error. Ito po yan. So, to fix that certain error po, kailangan nyong i-download ang C++ redistributable runtime, or the Visual C++ redistributable. So, click nyo lang to, which is I already did, at i-route po kayo dito. So, i-click nyo lang yung download na yan. Safe po yan. Safe yan. And it will download the C++ redistribution runtimes. Yan. Kiklik ko pa para sa inyo. Tapos, hahanapin nyo lang yung server. So, ang pipiliin nyo rito, it's either Singapore or US. Again, Singapore or US. Okay? Ganon. Okay? Kasi may times na kapag clinic nyo yung download, ang daming lumalabas, hindi nyo alam kung anong gagawin next. So, ayan. As what I mentioned, ito. Kasi link lang naman yan, guys. Hindi siya, it doesn't really matter. Pero, para sa inyo, guys, usually, pinaka-close yung pipiliin nyo, which is yung sa Singapore. So, yun. Hintayin nyo matapos yung download. Ayan. So, ita-download yan, tapos iraran nyo lang. Ayan. Iraran nyo lang. So, since na-download ko yun sa akin, I don't really need to do that. After that, then try to run yung iDate PH Launcher. Ngayon, EMS, hindi pa rin siya gumagana. Ngayon, after you do the C++ retribution and it still doesn't work, that's only fine. Ang gawin nyo lang is i-redo nyo yung process from locating it from your C drive. I-delete nyo muna yung folder ng iDate launcher, yung client. Huwag nyo nang tanggalin yung emulator. Burahin nyo yun. Tapos, ibalik nyo or i-reinstall nyo yung client para masama siya at ma-read niya yung C++ redistributable na kaka-download nyo pa lang. And then, try to run in again. Okay? Okay. So, yun lang naman yung fixed. And, as what I always mention, and just like what I mentioned as well, na if issue persists, please consult the moderator, or the developer sa iDate PH Revival project, which is on Discord, which is discord.gg/iDatePH. They are really, really approachable. They are very hands-on at napakabait nila. Update, they've already, again, if you wanted to be updated on the progress of iDate PH Revival project, again, for the very last time, follow under Discord server, which is discord.gg/iDatePH. At dyan na nga po na natapos ang ating video, guys. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nag-like, nag-comment at nanood ng video ko for the tutorial. Now, for future tutorials such as 8 keys, paano yung 8 keys, how does the item works, and those other stuff might be featured on the next video. Again, this is MC. Again, this is MC, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Again, this is MC. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and happy gaming. Bye bye.